Tashidalek. It translates to hello in my native language, and I'd like to start by introducing myself. My name is Wongchuk Damambatia, and I am an English teacher teaching in Central Pathuk Primary School. My hometown is Gangtok, East Sikkim, and we are the 22nd state of the nation. My qualification is Bachelor in English, and I have successfully completed my diploma in elementary education from Diet Gangtok. I have cleared my TET exam, and currently I am pursuing my master's from IGNOU. I have been in this teaching field for almost 6 years, and teaching is truly my passion. I strive to provide the best for my student, and I have noticed the same spirit for my students who are eager to learn more. My school has 25 students in total. It sounds way too less, but every student is motivated to learn, and there is also a healthy study environment. The problem that I face in my current school is that it is situated in a rural area, and so learning English become a challenging task for the student. This is because most of the parents are not properly educated, and so they have been brought up being more comfortable in speaking their mother tongue or local language. And so I think it has slowed them from learning English efficiently. Unfortunately, we also do not have lots of resources, and we cannot bring people from places to conduct educational workshop for our students. They were also quite shy and afraid to make mistakes, which I can really relate to, because even I was in same position. So this ZIIEI program has polished my prior knowledge, and I feel like it has brought open a positive change to my teaching method, and it helps me provide the best for my students. Even before being a part of this program, I knew how to teach my students using resources such as chart paper, etc. But it was quite an expense doing that every time. So this ZIIEI program has helped me reduce those expenses by teaching me methods of providing education in an interesting manner without spending much. This program has taught me the technique of concept mapping. This technique helped me deliver the content in an efficient and intriguing manner through the use of visual illustration. I really found this training exciting, and I believe that it will help my students just as much or more as it helped me. I am gratified to Mr. Sayandip and Mr. Ujjwal, who guided me throughout this training or this program, and you have really contributed in sharpening my teaching skills and strategies. Mr. Sayandip has recommended me about the Innovative Pathshala app, which is a tool for primary teaching and is applicable for any grade. This app has been really beneficial to me as it has given me innovative teaching ideas. In order to overcome all those obstacles, I have conducted or done activities in my class like walk drills, poem recitations, role play, and even I even have given them the flexibility to express themselves in English without being abashed. And I still do that till this point. I do not point out their mistakes directly, for I feel like if I do, then they will lose the flow of confidence and will become unsure when speaking in English. I let them complete what they want to say, then only do I tell them about their grammatical errors, and when we meet the next class, they appear to have improved even by a little. And so I am really jovial and proud to witness that whenever they encounter a new word in class, I use word drills which aid in the improvement of their pronunciation. Their once hesitant and nervous persona is gradually being overshadowed by confidence, and I strongly feel that role plays and poem recitation plays a very major role in that. Because when I read aloud the content, they will listen, but in role play, they understand better according to me, as they express what they have read themselves. Though our school is situated in a really rural environment and neighborhood, we teachers are really dedicated to our job. And our students are also filled with the drive to learn. And so this is the reason why I strongly feel our school should be selected as the role model school, as we are spreading the positive message of determination. Furthermore, I would like to convey my gratitude to Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI, and HDFC Bank for organizing and conducting a wonderful program like this. To conclude, I would like to express how I am really fortunate to be a part of this training, and I'm infused with optimism and hope the program like this will happen again. Thank you.